Al-Sharh, the expanding, with the name of Allah, the most gracious, the ever merciful.
أَلَمْ نَشْرَحْ لَكَ صَدْرَكَ.
Have we not, in fulfillment of your vision in your boyhood, and again when you were entrusted with the divine mission, opened, expanded, and illuminated for you your bosom?
وَوَضَعْنَا عَنْكَ وِزْرَكَ.
And have we not relieved you of your burden of various responsibilities?
الَّذِي أَنْقَضَ ظَهْرَكَ.
Which have weighed your back down?
وَرَفَعْنَا لَكَ ذِكْرَكَ.
And have we not exalted for you your name and given you fame?
فَإِنَّ مَعَ الْعُسْرِ يُسْرًا.
So surely every hardship is followed by ease.
إِنَّ مَعَ الْعُسْرِ يُسْرًا.
Yes, every hardship shall be followed by an ease.
فَإِذَا فَرَغْتَ فَانصَبْ.
When you are free, having finished one task, strive hard to do the next.
وَإِلَى رَبِّكَ فَارْغَب.
And to your Lord you do attend wholeheartedly and humble yourself before him.